Hi friends, it's Junk Journaling Jen. Hi, I'm back with another video, and today we are here with the D. This is the same series, the Naked Soft Cover Junk Journals, and this is D. And let's go over what we have here. So we have our prayer rock, Elohim. Creator. Okay, that's our rock. And this is our organic goat milk soap. Okay, it's so awesome. It's so good for your hands. It gets all that cracking gone. Okay, so we have our pockets here, and these little tags are assembled for you. Again, we have Shield of Faith. Okay. And then we have the center. And these are glass beads, brown glass beads. I have a whole bunch of them on my table so you could see them. That one has something on it, but aren't they pretty? I just love them. And they also have some brass beads, and I believe they're like little hearts connected, but you can kind of, after you stare at them for a while, they kind of look like flowers too. So here's our center. This is a giant paper clip, so you can remove that, and you can finish that with whatever materials inside. You can finish the back, so I just left that option for you. Okay, so we're gonna set your flower here. Hopefully you can still see it. Okay, front, spine, back. Love this, love this. It feels so good. Okay, and then our ribbon here with our glass beads. Aren't those cool? So fun. Okay. We have all of your patina paper clips with the buttons. And there's the other one, the clock. It's up there. Isn't that nice? Okay, so those are all ready for you. So I'm gonna take those off. We're gonna set those over here. Okay, just so it doesn't, I can flip through your pages easier. Okay, and let's open your journal up. Yes, I'm speaking to whoever this belongs to. So here's some ties. Originally, these were the ties to the journal, like here, and I changed it out to the fancier ribbons. So these are extra for you to do whatever you like. Page trim, add them to tags. So I put that in there. There's all the fabric, and that's attached onto, again, your elastic for extra journal. Okay, we have big journal cards here, some little. Okay, very cute. Let me turn them over and they're the opposite color. Cool. Some journaling tags there for you. Here's the back. Some journaling tags here. Really nice. Okay. Oh, and this one has the side. So that one's really cool too. Okay. So there's all of our pockets. Our tags. Okay. Now we're gonna go over your pockets and tucks. Okay, so let's get us a rock here so we can kind of have. Okay, so we have one that can go here, and of course it could go at the top of your page or here. And what that would look like if you had, do I have a tag in here? Oh, there we go. Let's just use our D. So your tag would go here. Okay. There you go. Or you can go here. Okay. So there's one. And then this one is paper clip. So this one will just go. So that just attaches right there. And then it has a pocket right there. Okay. So there's that. Then you have a pocket here, which is this one would be really cute sideways. And then you would go here. But I would recommend doing that probably on this side of the page. It'd be easier. So, isn't that cute? And that has gold in there. It's actually coloring book, but it has the gold. Okay, and then we have a pocket here. Side pocket. You can kind of get an idea of how large that is. You can put a fairly large journaling card in there. And then we have a pocket here. Isn't that nice? It's a library pocket. So you can see how I made it, so then you can make it for yourself, and you can make them however you want. I like to use really recycled, you know, stuff you throw away. There you go. And here's another one. I like this one. So pocket here, flip out here so you can still journal here. So you could journal here, journal there, or just journal straight across. That's what I do. But I like that. And I actually recently did it on this side. Yeah, and then I folded it so I could go that way too. So it's an idea. And I also have made it so it has a tuck spot here. So I glue here, here, and here. And then it's a tuck spot. Okay? Give you an idea there. And we have two more. Right there. Down here you could do it. I guess you could turn this up. I've never done that. But what a good idea. Guys, I think I'm doing that. I never thought to do that up until this video. My goodness. What am I thinking? And I love this, see, gold coloring book. And then I did our phone book from here in Vegas. So there you go. Isn't that cool? And that's D. D. Okay, that's the last one. Isn't that cool? I think that is just a cool pocket. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? I've been doing video after video, so I feel like, okay, let's start looking at our pages. So here's our nice, amazing cover. I love these. Love this cover. Okay, and we have 80 pages, so let's do it. These are coffee stained to be, they're a little bit more linen. And they really match the theme. And then there's some pink thrown in here because there is some pink in the front of your cover. So here we go. This is a card here, and you could cover this. I love covering these little, isn't that cool? And you just cover it. And it has your own pattern, so it's a possibility. I normally put positive things in there, you know, so then you can cover it. Sometimes I'll put scripture there, but I've tried to leave them pretty naked. Now, if you want some that have more scripture in them, I have some of those coming up soon. In this month, the month of June, my birthday month. So excited. All these pages, coffee stains. Coloring book, butterflies, my favorite. You gotta give up your faves, you know, and your stash. Lots of paper stash. And here's our center. Now these are our other side of our friends. paper. Polka dots. We're almost there. Flowers. Coffee stain. Parchment and the end of the cover. Yay. Okay, friends. So we made it to the end. I know which one of these was the tie. That's what it was. So here's the extras. And then one of these was to tie this. Yay. So, isn't that awesome? There we go. So, here's all of your pockets and your tucks. And I know that you are super excited about receiving your journal, because I know someone is seriously eyeballing this journal right now, right? So I thank you for joining me today. This was fun. And this is, again, Journal D in the Naked Softcover Junk Journal series. I'm getting better at saying that, guys. So thanks for joining me. I'm tying this beautiful baby up. She's being ready to be shipped. So thanks so much, you guys. Nice seeing you. Journal number 4. So we're going to E. And if you want to see more videos, just go ahead and check out the YouTube channel and our Facebook and our Instagram. So thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a blessed day. And I will see you in the very next one. Bye.